Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is top loading washing machine. It is brand wise Supergeneral 7 kg. This machine having problem. It is in another technician he tried to repair, but this one he is not able to repair. Because of that, customer brought to the workshop. This machine having problem. It is not spinning cycle, wash cycle, everything perfect, but machine not spinning. That's mean wash rings and next step automatically should go to the spin cycle. But pulsator only rotating, drum not rotating. Because of that only we have to repair this one. Now we will go to the next step and we will check what is the exactly problem. Now I will show you what is the problem. Now I already switching on. Now I will select direct spin cycle here. You can see here while pressing it's already came spin cycle. It's showing 8 minutes to the display. Now I will start the machine. Now here drain motor already it's working, drain pump also working. Now we will check what is the exactly problem. The exactly problem with this machine we have to check also. Now I given power connection. Also I will select direct spin. Here it is direct spin 8 minutes. Now I will start the machine. Now you can hear the noise. Then through the drain motor it is already gear already catch. Then pump also I can hear. It is start. Still motor not start. This is the complaint. Actually it is spin cycle is not realizing. That means is not go to the end of the. Here you can hear the noise. The motor already start. Only the pulsator rotating. Yes, drum not rotating, only the pulsator rotating. That's mean motor it's okay, but problem with the gear assemble. Otherwise drain motor. Otherwise we have to check motor rotation clockwise to anti-clockwise. That three item we have to check. That's mean nothing to worry about the control board and everything. It's perfect. Pressure sensor everything, because the customer complaining only the spin cycle. Now we have to check major three item, gear assemble, also drain water, also capacitor also we have to check. But anyway we will remove the back of the machine and we will check. Now I will remove the back of the cover machine. Now we can remove like that here. Now we can check the drain motor. Again we will give the power connection. If it is working or not we can check. I am going to check the drain motor. You can see drain motor is working, no any issue. You can see drain pump also I can hear the noise. It is working. Gear assemble, no nothing any problem. Now we will check the rotation. Still motor not to start. Yes, this is the problem. Gear already catching, but drum not rotating. Now what we can do, the capacitor also okay, otherwise motor not getting start. Now I'm going to replace the rotation. That means this is starting running both same, because the anti-clockwise and clockwise motor should rotate. Now I have to change the rotation and we will check. If it is okay, our problem will get resolved. Now you can see here. Now I will do the rotation change. I will show you how to do that. Now we will go to the next step. Now we have to remove the harness assemble. It is already covered. This one, according to the customer, he already informed to us. It's another technician. He tried to repair this one. Now what we can do? It is easy job for us. Now we have to change. Starting running, that's when both are same. That two wire we have to change. After that, motor will rotate other side clockwise. Now this one we have to check here. This is the capacitor wire. Capacitor wire, it is yellow and blue. This is yellow and blue. This one common wire, motor common wire. This is the wire connection for the motor. This is the common wire. It is yellow one, and this one should starting and running. These two wires. Now what I am going to do, I will change these two wires. After that, our problem will get solved. Now we will change the wire and we will check. That somebody actually did mistake because this wire changed already. Because of that only this motor rotating anti-clockwise. It should rotate clockwise. After that only gear through the clutch assemble, this drum catching. Otherwise only the pulsator rotating. That because of that now we will check temporary. I will give the power connection again. I will start the spin cycle again. It should be definitely should be okay. Now again catching through the drain motor, gear assemble. Now drain pump also start. Still not to start the motor. Yeah. Now you can see the friends. This is the complaint actually. Now we resolve within a minute. This is small mistake did by the technician. He changed the wires, but he is not able to understand what is the problem. Now it is our complaint is resolved. Our job already done. It's completed. Now we have to permanent. We have to install the wiring connection. After that, our job will be finished. Now our job already completed. We have to permanent fix wiring everything. After that, our job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.